Hi, I'm gonna show you how to make how to call. Here, how to call in Minecraft. So calling is a feature. Sorry, my world's a little bit glitchy, but what you do is you'd walk in here, then you would. Oh, this works in Pocket Edition. If you sprint, you will be. You'll go through the tunnel, and then you'll be calling. And when you come out, you'll stand up, which is bad. And so I'm going to show you how to make it. You just need these 3 items: water bucket, sign, and cobblestone. So to start off, you make I'm going to miniaturize it for you because don't want this video to go on for too long. And not when it's important that the first 2 have been covered, but I like to do it with the whole thing covered. On one end, place a sign. And then leave one gap, then place another sign. Oh, wrong button. Okay, sorry about that. Now you get your sign. Actually signs, and what I believe you need to do now is click that block, done, place a sign there. And you don't actually need a sign. Oh, wrong button again. And then you get your water. Place it. And boom, that's all done. So what you can do is you can just walk straight in while you're in the water. Sprint. And you'll end up calling where there isn't water, which is pretty cool. Then you just run out. And by the way, this is my very first video with voice recording. So yeah, please leave a like, and if you can, subscribe. Bye.